Already known for their screws, NITTOSEIKO is now changing the future of manufacturing with their screw driving systems. NITTOSEIKO's own screw tightening drivers, screw feeders, screw tightening units, and screw tightening robots. These systems deliver improved productivity, quality assurance, and a reduced workload. Let the screw tightening specialist, NITTOSEIKO, familiarize you with some of its screw tightening systems. First, screws are deposited into the basket of the screw feeder. The screws are scooped up by a hooper track, and then those screws which pass through the kick plate are placed on the chute rail. The aligned screws are moved down the chute rail by way of vibration. As the screws are stripped off the chute rail, they are pneumatically fed from the screw feeder. During the system design phase, it's important to keep in mind the size of the screw that will be fed. This application may not be suitable for extremely small screws, as they tend to shift and tumble inside the screw feed hose. From the screw feeder, the screws pass through the feed hose and arrive at the tip of the chuck unit. With NITTOSEIKO's proprietary anti-tumble chuck unit, there is no need to worry about inverted screws, as screws are delivered in the correct position every time. The screw guide then descends and sucks up the screw. At the same time, the bit inside the screw guide rotates and lowers. Because the screw guide is designed to match the diameter of the screw maintains its position as the driver bit engages the screw head. As the screw guide makes contact with the workpiece, the bit begins to tighten the screw. The Z-axis fastens the screw while adjusting the thrust force. NITTOSEIKO's thrust variable control function optimizes screw tightening by allowing the speed and thrust to be individually programmed according to the screw tightening application. This patented technology reduces impact on the workpiece, prevents internal thread stripping, improves tightening of self-tapping screws, and prevents cam out. The screwdriver with AC servo motor tightens the screw according to preset torque specifications. The two-stage tightening process provides low torque for temporary fastening, followed by low speed, high torque for final fastening. This process reduces the variation of torque, allowing for more precise tightening. NITTOSEIKO's vacuum driving system is a highly versatile fastening unit that keeps the chuck from making contact with the workpiece. Instead, the screw guide is used to fasten the screws, which is useful for applications in tight areas, around obstructions, and even in places with various height levels. When driving screws in an area with multiple point locations, the SR565Y Theta Z is ideal. Compared to orthogonal coordinate robots, the rectilinear and rotational motion of the SR565Y Theta Z allows for more usage of the same work area. As you have seen, NITTOSEIKO's screw driving systems can feed and drive many different types of screws. However, they can also support a variety of nuts, bolts, rivets, pins, and steel balls. NITTOSEIKO's all-in-one units encompass everything needed for screw driving and tightening. The extent of their success is apparent not only in Japan, but continues to spread all over the world. High quality, space-saving, low cost. Ask any of our specialists how we can help you with your diverse screw driving needs and challenges. Fastening Solutions. Quality starts at the first turn. NITTOSEIKO.